Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to explore some Hollywood sound effects tricks. First, I'll show you this clip that has no sound. Now we will add sound to it. It'll just be a car stopping normally. Add a little bit more sound, that brake squeal you hear on so many Hollywood movies. Now let's make the car do a really fast panic stop without speeding the car up. It's the same clip, the car going the same speed, but the sound gives the illusion of going quicker. This last clip, I did speed it up slightly to give the illusion the car is going much faster than it actually is. This is a trick Hollywood uses all the time, but if you go too fast, it looks kind of cartoonish and fake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll subscribe back to your channel. Thank you.